In this video, we focus on the process approach and risk-based thinking competency in the IATF Auditor Guide, in particular, the auditing of process risk and opportunity. Watch this video to see if the auditor is undertaking an effective audit. Hello, really pleased to see you again. Yeah, we met last year on the audit. Can you just remind me again a little bit about your role and responsibilities?
I am here as a production manager in the AAOB component. I've been here for 3 years as a production manager, and my responsibility is daily, of course, and overall problems and improvements in production.
Brilliant. Okay, so I spent some time with your managing director this morning, and he was telling me that you've got a lot of challenges you're facing as a company, but lots of opportunities. Maybe can you give me your perspective on what are some of the biggest challenges you're facing in your role as production manager at the moment? Maybe at the higher level first, and then maybe we'll come to the more detailed level.
Sure. So the biggest challenges today we have is, of course, with the material supply. A lot of suppliers are having problems supplying in time and supplying the quantity we need. Of course, now we have a problem with electricity prices that skyrocketed during the last few months. And it's, of course, impacting us badly. And recently we had also a COVID situation where we had to adjust our planning and our resources according to the people that are coming to work and the quantity they are. But that was really the biggest challenges.
And in your role as production manager then, is there anything that you can do to influence and maybe reduce those risks?
Yes, actually the biggest impact we can make, of course, is the electricity usage. We have to talk with people and how to say, inform them what are their responsibilities and how they can help us to save the electricity in the company. Also, we can do a small audit that we are auditing how efficiently we are using electricity. If all the devices that are not working, are they really off? Are they not using the electricity? And similar situations.
Okay, so I'll make a note of that and we'll follow up on that in a few minutes. What about the more daily type of risk that you're dealing with? How do you track those?
Well, we are tracking those with the help of our boards, information boards. So here we have a track of every machine that is running and is planned to be run. So if we have any problems, we can write it here on the board. But of course, the most important thing is that the shift leader is informed about the problem. And then when he is informed, he reports the problem to our problem report sheet, which we print every morning according to the priorities. And every morning we gather here for a 15-20 minute meeting and we discuss all the problems.
Okay, so what we will do in the audit then is we will pick on a couple of these issues that you had yesterday. I can see machine number 28 and machine number 32. So if we can, are they running today, those machines?
Yes, they are.
Okay, so what we will do then is when we've been through this next part of the audit, we'll go into the production area and we'll follow those issues through and see how you're managing those.
No problem.
Okay, thank you for your input so far.
Thank you.
So let's now summarize with maybe some of the strengths that the auditor exhibited in this audit. The first thing was the auditor was linking the information they collected from the audit of top management to the audit with this process owner. And the good thing is the auditor was talking to the process owner in the production work environment. And when we think about risk and opportunity, we can think about risk and opportunity at the strategic level, but also the operational day-to-day level. And this was something that the auditor was exploring with the auditee. Also, when we're auditing, we always need to be thinking about capturing information that we can follow up later within the audit. And finally, maybe the auditor was too focused on risk and didn't focus enough on opportunity. So let's summarize with the key learning points. Risk and opportunity management should be audited within the relevant process with the process owners. And then the management and control of the risks followed up within the rest of the audit.